Hello everyone, myself Chirag Jogi. I'm working as a delivery head in Brainwire. Today's topic I'm going to cover is one of our client case studies that I'm going to walk through. The company name is Nascom into security. So how we boosted 50% of ROI with an efficiency with Odoo integrations and using the Odoo for this client. So let's go in detail. Here is the glimpse of our background of our company. So we are in this industry from last 12 years, around 4,500 experts in our network working with us, consultant. We are always award-winning company. So we have been awarded by INC 5000. We are Deloitte 500 fastest growing company in North America. We have around like 200 plus customer testimonials, reviews, rating available on Clutch. We can proudly say that we have been awarded by Odoo as a Odoo Customer Satisfaction Award company. So we will be great to have this kind of awards credentials with us. We are also working on Odoo as a gold partner and other softwares as well. So we are working with Adobe, BigCommerce, SAP, Shopify. As and when required, we go with the consultative approach, and whatever the business pain point needs are, we give that consultations, we give that ideation suggestions, and relevant frameworks we suggest. We are based out of North America in Dallas, but we have offices globally in 11 countries. So we have in USA, Canada, in Europe, we have in UK, then in Middle East, Singapore, and India. If we talk about Odoo team, so I have a good number of team in my department where our 380 people working as a Odoo developer consultant experts. Out of them, 200 are certified people. Till now, we have done 300 plus already implementation go live successful, and we have done around 120 plus integrations. So either you talk about e-commerce, EDI, other shipping gateways, payment gateways, such kind of integrations. Myself working in Odoo from last 13 years, have very strong expertise in retail manufacturing distribution, solution architect. So background of our client. So Nascom is based out of USA and they are into false alarm security. The sense they are a manufacturer and kind of B2B manufacturer of a sensor security alarm that you can place at your home and which will protect you and your family. So that kind of components and manufacture device they develop. They are into industry from last 25 years, and they are selling across USA and other regions of the world. And specifically, they create a component which are used for security purposes and the end product as well. Today, I'm going to talk about what are the challenges faced by my client, how we overcome that, what are the outcomes that we have defined, how Brainwire has helped our customer in terms of digitalization using this Odoo and making sure like all the hurdles that they are facing in day-to-day operations, how we can reduce that out, how we can improve their ROI in terms of business, how we can improve the efficiency of operation using Odoo. So that is the main core agenda for this today's talk. So yeah, challenges if we talk. So they were having more than 5,000 SKU. So imagine like the company who is having such kind of huge number of product catalog, and day to day they need to create a quotations. There is a combination, there is a variant, lots of things are going on. There is a issue in terms of visibility. How much is there in my stock? What variants is compatible with which variant or which product? How I can if I'm getting an inquiry, is it there in my stock or not? So there is a kind of lack of tracking in terms of inventory, variants, and all operations. They are having in this industry in manufacturing, so they have a unique part number. So their part number is combination of multiple parameters, and they were not having a unique kind of code to identify each barcode or part numbers. They were having issues with the e-commerce platform. So previously they were using Salesforce, but they were struggling because of multiple regions. They were not easily integrated with the third-party solution. They were not easy to, obviously the license cost and everything is high. So we came we came to the point like we can convert that Salesforce to Odoo. We can do the data migration as well, and all the pain points that we can resolve and integration part that we can resolve using Odoo. And e-commerce that we have built totally on Odoo e-commerce. So previously they were thinking of different e-commerce solution, but we told rather than having under one database, it will be easy because you have backend operation in Odoo. So front end, if you want to keep under Odoo, and we can help them out for listing and SEO and digital marketing as well. That's how we approached, and they are now under Odoo e-commerce. They were having so many manual process because in this business and manufacturing, they were getting so many inquiries from the B2B customer. So either they are having everything on email or phone calls, but they were not having a traceability of for B2B customer as well. Where's my product is? I have given order. I have taken an inquiry. Where's the quote is? So there was a challenges in terms of giving a solution on time. Due to that, there is lots of the leads are got lost. Lots of conversion ratio has been dropped down. So they explained us all these things, all the pain points, and then we given the solution. We have created a unique process for them, dynamic part number configurators. It's more about product configurator that we have done on top of Odoo, which is combination of multiple things. And you can see over here they have different color, they have different registers, values, tolerance, power, and everything. So which circuit will be best fitted for which component, what kind of power it can be utilized, all these things we have given a product configurator, so that in Odoo you can easily get an idea which product is compatible with what, and that relation that we have done with each and every product variant. So it's very easy for customer who is purchasing either online or calling on a phone, like, okay, I want this sensor, or I want this security alarm. So whether it's good fit for my living room, whether it's good fit for my office, so that kind of compatibility check that we have done using unique product configurator and lots of other validation that we have put on top of Odoo. We have integrated with AirCall. So in this manufacturing industry, this kind of VoIP is very useful because you are getting day and night inquiries from your B2B customers. Either two types of inquiry. One is like they want a quote from you for specific thing, and second is like if they already place an order, what is the status, right? So we integrated AirCall, which is kind of third-party VoIP solution, where they can have the call center team can use this AirCall process, and all the conversation, whatever talk they are doing on VoIP AirCall, that call recording will be stored under Odoo. So we are tracking everything, how much call has been done by which person, what is how much time has been spent over there, what are the recordings, and that data we were converting into a lead automatically. So if somebody is doing inquiry for certain products, we are adding such information and converting as a one lead, and that lead has been automatically assigned to a sales rep who is available in that area, or based on the process, either round robin method or who is list busy, we allocate to that salesperson. So we have streamlined that process for inquiry to the allocation of the salesperson. This was I was talking about Odoo e-commerce. On a front end, we have given a product configurator. So as a end customer who goes on a website can easily select what they are looking for, and their customer are B2B, so they know their technology, they know which product is compatible with what. If they have any concern, they talk with the call center team or sales team. But you can see over here in Odoo, we have given a dynamic product configurator. You select your color, you select your further types, which type you want, which magnet you want, which sensor you want, which circuit will be compatible. And if you are not selecting on a compatible way, we have given a warning alert system. Hey, like you have selected this component which is not compatible with this product. So it will be easy for customer to identify that and create a certain related product. We have given customer order tracking portal as well. So in Odoo, we have given access to their B2B customers where they can log in, they can see how many orders they have, what is the status, and they can do partial payment because they do take down payments as well, 20-30%. And if same party does have, like same customer want to pay for multiple invoice, we have given functionality like pay multiple invoices, so they can select their open invoices, can select 5 of them, and they can do batch payment as well. We have given this automated ticketing system. So uh, the issues the client was facing is like so many product they have sold, right? But afterwards, what about the post-sale services? Once the customer is satisfied with the product, and if you don't give support or they have any concern afterwards using that product, or any issue, or any system is not working properly, then you need to give a proper post-sale support as well. For that, they were not having such kind of tool or process or software to give answers on a timely manner or give an accurate information. So that's how the ticketing software has been used, and it's already means everything is now automated. Any customer can go online on website, create a ticket, what are the issues they're facing, attach a document or photos, give the rating like okay, it's a high priority or low priority, and based on that, the backend team have a list of tickets that they have received, and they can work on it. So it's helped them overall in the company wise to make their customer retention ratio more, and that's how they increase their efficiency and customer retention ratio. Also, they have given, we have added few features as well, like send by WhatsApp, or any kind of want to create a task for any technical team. From the tickets itself, they can create a task, or any further lead, and it goes to the respective team. We've also added global search functionality in this project, which is like either you're searching any part number, or you're searching any product or sales order, purchase order, any bills, for vendor bills you want to do payment, rather than going into different screens or modules. We have given a global search. While you add the keywords, relevant keywords will match with the different records, and you can identify directly or go to that record directly from the one screen itself. We have added ticket stage changes analysis. This was needed because once you do your analysis of your returns, what are the products you sell and returns you are getting, once you do analysis of your issues that faced by the customer, then and then you can be able to resolve or make the product very much efficient. And that's how you can retain, means you can retain your more and more customer, and customer retention ratio can go above. So this analysis we have helped customer get helped due to based on the data that we have feeded over here. So each and every ticket they got, they do analysis of like okay, how many is an open, how much time it took to resolve that ticket, okay, and who did that job, and what are the process that they have done. So we have given a functionality to add a root cause over there. So in future, if same ticket comes back for any customer with the same issue, that person can identify okay, it was been resolved by this manner, there is a root cause which can be identified. So again, it doesn't need to add same amount of time which has been already previously invested. So that's how the other technician, other people can utilize that information and can resolve more and more tickets on a day-to-day manner. So this screen they use as a reporting purpose, how much sold, how much customer replied, which are the waiting from experts like technical team, all those things, and everything data information we added in a pivot view. This is more about the workflow, just to give in a high level glimpse in a business process manner. Like if any customers comes, they have multiple way of channels, like one is e-commerce, one is phone call, so which is they are using VoIP air call. And e-commerce by their own they can process and add to cart, and for a phone call they can get a consultations compatibility check which product is best fitted for them, and they can create a unique product configurator for them, because in this manufacturing for security alarm system, Each product is unique, and each product have their own different components. Then we create a dynamic part number, which is again combination of multiple variants, and whole order to cash process. If the product is ready to ship, we have integrated with ShipStation, which take care of fulfillment, creating a labels and delivery. If it's not there, they do the manufacturing. And if it's already fulfilled by the ShipStation, automatically we create a portal for that customer and give an email like, okay, hey, you have already purchased, so this is the portal for your backend tracking of your orders, and you can go over there, you can see further invoice details, status details, and everything. So that portal itself will be used further for after sales support, for creating a ticket or checking the history of the ticket, everything. So to conclude more about the tangible outcome has been achieved by our customer is getting more and more benefit in efficiency, one thing, because previously lots of things where they were doing manually, they were not having a they have a decentralized system and not tracking of your inventory, or the different part numbers was not any much visible how much inventory I have. So that's how we have increased their efficiency using the Odoo in a big manner automation way, and they've increased their ROI. Previously, whatever the work or they were doing might be it was taking more time in terms of not having visibility or portal. That's how Odoo helped them out, and overall reduction 20% in operational costs they have found out, and 53% rise in the productivity with Odoo integration, like similar to ShipStation, Aircall. Such kind of third party is always useful because everything you can't do under Odoo, you might need to do integrations, and each software has their own beauty, so we can utilize that and integrate further. Few of our clients that we have worked with in retail domain, manufacturing domain, either talk about Ajmal Perfume, Sherwood into manufacturing, Toyota distributor in Middle East, we have given whole Yermak model process on top of Odoo. American Tire Depot, which is into USA for tire distribution, Larson into jewelry. So we have worked with such brands. Perfect. That's it from my side. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, I would be happy to answer. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
As more people fill in the pad, we have one already. What other security related project implementation have you done?
Okay. Apart from this, we have already done multiple security related projects. One of them is BLRM Medical, which is into for elderly people. They give a GPS device which will help them in terms of any emergency. So all end-to-end Odoo implementation that we have done for them, and managing their subscription, their whole invoicing process, and integrations with SIM card provider and everything. So it helps for elderly people. So such one project we did. Another is into fire extinguisher, like their manufacture of fire related alarms and security purposes, that we have done Odoo in Canada, Vancouver. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Second question, would you suggest Odoo to a startup company?
100%, because this product, beauty of this product is like any startup who is still going an ideation phase or has taken a product into implementations and want to start basic operation of sales, purchase, inventory, manufacturing. It's very easy for them because it's a very standard and easy to use, and it's way more scalable. So in future, if your products get more and more sales and got kind of increase in the sales and revenue, the same product, the same software you can use in future as well. So startup and SMEs are the right fit for this software, and it's easy to use.
Okay, perfect. There's one more typing. Let's just wait for them to finish. Okay. In what stage of your business did you start using Odoo?
Okay, so I would suggest what based on my experience is like when you need a software which is which is helping you on a day-to-day operations, and you can focus on actual your business to grow, talking with your customer, getting more leads and inquiries and orders.
Yeah.
At that time, the software will be able to do the other operation, and your other team members can utilize the software and can make an order, do the shipments, process the PO, supplier, talking with the supplier. So that way, at that stage, once you are growing your company and you are getting more and more sales, at that time, I would suggest the owner should be focusing on getting the more business, and the backend software like Odoo should take care of the operation thing.
Okay, perfect. And another question: were there any credit customers?
Sorry?
Credit customers. Do you have any credit customers?
Credit customers, I would say more about in B2B, yes. So they give credits because it's a long-term agreement. We do blanket order because everything is long-term, and likewise they can have a multi-year contract giving credit. Just using that credit, they can place an order. Once that credit gets over, they get intimations, and then how they add the wallet.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. So that's all for now. In
Perfect.
case they have any other questions, I believe they can come and
Sure, sure.
talk to you after this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.